Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can insert multiple rows from one of your spreadsheets into another on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. Alright, so let me give an example and navigate to that example table here. What you want to do is left click into the first cell. After that, press and hold left control on the keyboard and click into the into the row below. And another row. So now all these three rows here are selected. Press Ctrl C, navigate to your other spreadsheet and highlight the three rows to the left you would like to move these rows to. So let me go with row number 4, 15 and 16. Again, left click into the first one, press and hold left control and click into the next row below. Press Ctrl V. And that is going to insert all three rows, as you can see, from one document into another. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.